George es una perra punk.
What do you got? Yeah, is that a ball? You got a ball? Billy, look at the ball. That's a big fucking tennis ball. I mean, you're a fucking massive dog, but what am I supposed to? I don't want to touch it, actually, to be honest with you. It's gross. It's gross. Get it away from me. It's gross. You fucking horse. Look. Ball. Bro. You fucking drew on it. And what'd you do? You just punched it in the corner? Oh yeah, look at that. So what? You just sniffed me. Now we gotta do more sniffing? You excited to drill into your hood?
Yeah.
Everybody wants to drill into their hood.
Carbon fiber hood lined up, ready to go. If this doesn't work.
That's fair. That's fair.
Pick it up in North Plainfield today.
Okay. All right. Well, there's always a backup plan.
Yeah.
So if you guys don't know, today it's always running. We're gonna be drilling into Roger's hood today because we're adding these cool like vents.
No,
There's a fucking giant hole in your fucking head now.
definitely a giant hole in it, you know?
Oh shit.
That's a hole.
That's a hole.
I'm just gonna do that 100 more fucking times. Why?
You can't really leave it like this.
Nah. It's a little fucked.
Have you ever drilled into a hood before?
Yeah.
Just this one time?
Yeah.
I mean, the Civic has tons of holes in its hood. Custom hood. I'm not gonna lie, it does look like a fucking war zone. Fucking bullshit. Oof. Were you good at fucking like geometry and shit in school?
Geometry, no.
straight as hell. Look at that. Man's prepared with his fucking Milwaukee headlamp, his DeWalt glasses. We're going in for fucking surgery. How was that?
Can't see shit.
I can't see shit out of this fucking thing. We fucking
Immediately
you're
fogged up.
fogging up. You're sweating. That's why. Damn, Papa Molly. Sweating.
Whew.
Ain't no fucking turning back now. This shit getting fucking done today. That or we go buy a carbon fiber hood today. One of them. But we ain't playing around, ho. Got the fucking mask, new gogs. We're going back in. What you got, mac and cheese?
Mac and cheese, sandwich, Red Bull, and a fork.
I don't see no receipt. You stole that shit.
Don't say that. Cut that out.
Shit, she's fucking cut, dog.
That's a fucking hole.
That's a fucking hole, bro. Damn.
Yo, you can just fist that thing, right?
Damn, dog.
It's gonna need a little bit of lubrication just in case, but you know.
Little mock up.
Wait, is it that way or the other way? I was gonna say, I think it's that way.
To weld it back in?
Yeah, we passed that point here.
You can probably get away with it. Damn, dog. Fucking. Alright, STI hood. We're gonna give this away to the next subscriber. Comment down below.
Put it on my wall.
This is gonna be your fucking giveaway. What do you even put on your wall? We're giving it away.
Wall. No, I'm giving shit away.
We're giving this away. This is a piece of
It
history.
just cost me $1,500.
Nice. That's true, actually. Comment down below. Alright, with some TV magic, it's done. How's it look?
It's alright, I guess.
It looks great. The fuck are you talking about? I don't think you just like the fact that you drilled into a hood, but I think it looks good. Bro, he doesn't even fucking drive this car. You want to go for a fucking road trip?
I'm telling you, bro. He would still want to go to that temple that's in PA.
Temple?
Yeah, that like temple that he was talking about. What was it? The Paguganda or whatever. But it's like a 2-hour drive. But I'm still down.
Nah, that's too far.
Come on, bro. It's a CRV.
Nah, that's too far.
You get good gas mileage.
That's true.
Huh?
You want some heat gun?
That'd probably be better, honestly.
Couple of holes, just like George.
Yeah.
Couple of holes.
Fucking.
Oh yeah,
Math book.
this side does look a lot fucking better.
This shit looks like the fucking movie Signs. With the.
Alright, just pretend.
Fucking crops.
Just pretend in the beginning of the video this is the one we did, so you guys can see how nice it is.
This is side number 1.
Side number 1. We haven't gotten to that side
That
yet,
side's not done yet.
but we're doing good. We're doing all right.
I didn't do anything. That's all him.
Precision.
That's fucking useless.
Another big asshole. Another big asshole for us. Right, George?
Another big ass head.
Oh. It's gonna look like this, except a little nicer. No, I'm just joking. This looks good. That's gonna look better though.
This one, I'm gonna say that one looks like it's getting caught.
Fucking what? George, what the fuck are you doing?
What are you doing?
Filming. What are you doing?
Just tightening the bolts.
Nice. Nice. It's gonna look great.
Custom fit.
Big excitement. Big excitement. Huge excitement.
Mm-hmm.
Stuck in this odyssey, watching time ticking back at me. We've got lost in watching time tick
George is a bitch.
in this galaxy on a cloud where our hearts are free. Wasting my time with you, but I like it too. I'm wasting away, it's true, but I like wasting time with you. Wasting my time with you, but I like it too. I'm wasting away, it's true.
We got one blue car with white wheels, and then we got another blue car with white wheels, because everybody here is original. 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 What?
You have a tire pressure?
Yeah.
Can I have it? This
Yeah.
thing has like 90 psi in it.